Who is your daddy?
Daddy Ayan.
Daddy Ayan or Daddy Umpay?
Daddy Ayan.
Oh, I thought Daddy Umpay. Daddy Umpay.
Daddy Umpay.
Yes. Your daddy is Umpay?
No.
Your daddy is Umpay? Huh?
Yes.
Your daddy is Umpay? Huh? Your daddy is Umpay? Oh. How old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is grass.
Rice?
No grass. My food
Your
I
favorite
like grass.
grass? Grass or vegetable?
I like vegetable.
Vegetable. Okay. Who is your ate?
Ate Shewa.
Who is your kuya? Who is your kuya? Toto?
Toto.
Who is your kuya?
Toto.
Toto what?
Toto.
Toto makin. Ano man? Ha? You're pretty or laway?
Pretty.
Who said you're pretty?
Ako.
Abo, pretty ka ha? Laway ka lang gid. Laway ka kung pretty.
Pretty.
Talaga? Say good morning everybody.
Good morning.
They look at here in the video.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?